Hey guys, how's it going? I know we're used to me doing RPM crate videos, but today we're doing a Petrol Box. Now, this is the second month I've gotten these. I didn't do a video for them last month because I just want to see how it was. But I have talked to them through the customer service department since then, and it's been phenomenal talking with them. They're actually really quick on replies. I've had no issues with that at all. So let's see what's in this month's box for you. Petrol Box. Quick little list of what's inside it on the other side. Let's keep going. Alrighty. Well, that's cool. Got this box here. It's actually on the list here. It's M2 Machines 164th 1971 Skyline GTR. Little model kit. Let's see if I can get up close enough for you guys so I can see that better. That's going to be really cool to put together. Maybe I'll actually do that with my daughter, if she wants to sit still long enough for it. Sour Punch candy. Lord Lifestyle Air Freshener. It's different. One says what smell it is. Doesn't say on here, but it says anything in here on it. Grape scented. Kind of smell it through the packaging. It smells pretty nice. The magnet this month. So subscriber writer of the month be Derek Simpson. Let's see if we can get a close enough view on that one. Hopefully the camera zooms in on me there. Not 100% sure on how well you can see that, but I'll be putting a picture up of everything at the end of the video anyway, so you can get a good view of that. Jax Wax Decon Remover. So this would be a wheel cleaner. I've actually used a similar product recently from Chemical Guys, so I'm really excited to see how the Jax Wax compares. But I've heard a lot of good things about Jax Wax, and I did look into some of their products recently, so that's pretty cool. Edgeless Microfiber Towel. Let's see. I think it says who it's from on this as well. The Rag Company Edgeless 365 Microfiber. It's a premium 70-30 blend. Edgeless. And I don't know how many of you guys... Oh, there's two of them here. That's even better. I don't know how many of you guys have actually know anything about the Rag Company, but on the Subaru detailing pages, that's pretty much everybody's favorite page for those. Burnham Tea Black and White. I'll take it out of the package so we can get a better view of that. Hopefully I'm talking loud enough for you guys. I do need to pick up a mic here. I just haven't had a chance recently to order one. Pretty solid picture. So, like I said, I have been speaking recently to their customer service over there, and I really enjoyed talking to them because they were really quick in responses. They helped me out with a few things there when I had questions, and they had no issues doing whatever they could to help me out, which is really helpful for making sure that I still get the package, giving me a way to give you guys content. And I'll probably be doing these again every month as well, the same way I do the RPM crates. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, tell your friends, share it around Facebook, whatever you feel like you need to do for it. I appreciate it all around, and I'll see you guys next time.